welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited to be back filming for you guys. If you didn't watch my last vlog, like, the devil came to steal my eyes, but of course Jesus has all the powers. I'm going to leave my vlog somewhere here, so you guys, if you haven't seen my vlog, go check it out so you will find out what happened to my eyes. But you guys, I'm so excited to be kicking off today's makeup tutorial with kind of an everyday summertime neutral makeup look. So you all can see I'm rocking a brand new hair right here because the weather outside is literally 93 degrees today. I decided to go very short with this one. This one is 12 inches. So I received 4 bundles of Beauty Forever hair, Malaysian coily hair in 12 inches and a 12-inch matching lace frontal. I'm wearing this gorgeous head wrap from E.Y.E.S hair, and this company is known for their high quality African print materials. They sell already made African outfits, and you guys, I decided to go with their scarves because I want to get in the habit of doing kind of Ankara inspired makeup look. So with this one right here, this is so gorgeous. I have yellow and blue pattern, and the one I have on my head, it's kind of yellow and red pattern, and also I have this one here, red and kind of gray pattern. It's not, something you have to go and buy the material to make. They already have it made for you, so you just go to their website and pick up whatever style you like. You definitely need to go check out this clothing line because it's Nigerian owned, and of course you guys know I'm Nigerian. Yeah, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Like, if you want to see how I came up with this whole look right here, definitely keep on watching. I'm always happy whenever I'm filming a natural makeup for you guys because I'm all here for the natural look. And the very first thing I'm going to apply will be a foundation primer, because if you have an oily skin, if you have a combination skin, dry skin, whatever skin you have, you definitely need a foundation primer. I always love to go ahead and use this primer because it helps to control my oil production. Ever since I started wearing makeup, this is always my go-to foundation whenever I'm going for that summer looking natural everyday look. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this foundation. Thankfully I don't have much breakouts no more, so 4 to 5 pumps of foundation, is always enough for me now, unlike when I used to apply at least 10 pumps of foundation on my face and still you could still see my acne and my dark spots. I'm just so thankful, you guys, you don't even understand. Before I started this makeup tutorial, I had inserted some eye drop into this eye, and whenever I use that particular eye drop, it kind of gives me a blurry vision. So you guys, please, in case if I missed anywhere on my face, I can't even see clearly, I'm gonna go ahead now and fill in my brows with my She Makeup automatic brow pencil. Most times I always feel like the brows helps to shape the face. I know my brows are looking all weird right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and use a tad bit of concealer and clean it up. Like, there's just this kind of effect using a concealer to clean your brows, gives your brows. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight my face, and I'm using Kokie Cosmetics concealer. And whenever you apply foundation, you would notice your face just have one dimension and one color, but contouring and highlighting helps to draw in color and also definition to the face. So I'm going to apply my concealer on my under eye, my chin, and my forehead. I also love to go ahead and apply my concealer on my lid because most of the time I don't use an eyeshadow primer, so I just blend my concealer all the way to my lid. So whenever I use a foundation or a concealer that kind of looks too light on my face, I love to go in with my L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Powder in the shade C6. Like, a lot of you guys always tell me, Omabelletv, you can change everything in your makeup collection, but this powder right here, you can never change it. And it's true because it just does the whole magic for me. Like, this powder is, as you all can see, it's like probably a shade or two darker than my skin tone, and I love to go in with this powder whenever I feel like my face is, you know, a tad bit lighter than my skin, and I simply just use it to set the outer portion of my face. You guys, look at that, just dabbing this. As you all can see, the powder already blends in with my skin tone. It helps blend and tie the whole, like, powder, foundation, whatever light color I used. It just helps to tie everything together. You would barely notice it when I'm done. I'm gonna go ahead and apply bronzer, and I'll be using my Tarte golden pearl bronzing powder. I really do love this bronzer. Like, you guys, ever since I received this product from Tarte Cosmetics, I've been using it religiously, and it just complements my skin tone a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and use it to bronze up my skin. And for my everyday makeup look, I normally don't apply blush, so I love to use a ton of bronzer because it just helps to give my skin a very nice sun-kissed glow. I normally don't joke with my glow, so I'm going to go ahead with Becca Opal highlight and use it to highlight my cheekbones, my cupid's bow, everything that needs to be highlighted. Alright, so moving on to my eyes, I'm gonna keep my eyes really simple. Like, normally I just wear a very natural look on my eye when I'm going for kind of my everyday summertime look. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this cream eyeshadow from, where is this from? From Covergirl, I think. I'm gonna use their cream eyeshadow, and it's kind of a very muted gold eyeshadow color. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this all over my lid. And why I also love this color is because it's very close to my skin tone. So even if you're going to work, school, you know, it will give you that very nice kind of flush of color. It's not gonna be harsh. I'll line my waterline. Most of the time I don't wear eyeliner on my everyday makeup look, or else I'm just in the mood to apply some eyeliner, which I am for today's video. So I'll go ahead and apply a very nice winged liner. I'm going to go ahead and apply mascara. So you can definitely wear this look like this if you don't care for lashes, but I do care for lashes. It's kind of a very natural looking lashes. It's not, you know, dramatic at all. It's very natural. So that is the reason I want to use this for today's tutorial. I really do love these lashes. So we are almost done, and for my lips I'm gonna go ahead and line with my LA Girl lip liner in the shade Chocolate, and I'm keeping this lip really soft and neutral. For lipstick, I'm going to be using my MAC Freckle Tone lipstick, and this right here is one of my favorite kind of pink tone, like nudish lipstick from MAC. It's very neutral but still gives a flush of color to the lips. I love a very nice glossy lip, so I'm going to go ahead and apply lip gloss, and this one is from Motive Cosmetics. You know what, I think I'm going to highlight my inner tear dot, and I'm going to be using Stila Cosmetics, what is this? Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Kitten Karma. Okay, so that is it for this look, and for my hair, I'm going to be using this gorgeous hair from Beauty Forever Hair, you guys, and I have here 3 bundles. No, I received 4 bundles of their Malaysian coily hair, but I ended up using 2 bundles and their frontal because the hair was extremely full. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this wig on my head. I have on my wig cap right here. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of my got to be glued gel just to glue the front of the frontal. That is just one thing when it comes to frontal, you have to glue it down. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this wig on my head. I'm gonna make sure you set it very well. I'm going to bring out a tad bit of my hair so I can use it to cover up the frontal. This right here is just perfect for this hot summer weather, but I'm thinking to leave this hair like this or to go ahead and tie my Diano hair scarf. I'm going to fold it into maybe 4. Right here is fine. Right here, right here. Yeah. I'm tying it, but I'm not tying it so tight because whenever I tie my hair scarf really tight, I end up having headache. And yeah, you guys, I think that is it for today's makeup tutorial. Definitely let me know what you think about this look, like this summer everyday makeup look, and also the hair. And also I'm going to link everything I used in this video in my description box, so definitely try and check that out. And please don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up if you did enjoy. And till my next video, I will see you all very soon.